Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the quiz score in Google Forms. This should be a quick and easy process. All you have to do is go to the Settings tab, make sure this is a quiz, then scroll down so you can turn on point values and create points. Go ahead and click on this, then set the default question point value if you want. Let's say, for example, 5 points. Now it's all set up, let's go ahead to the questions. As you can see here, you can choose the answer key and add points to any correct answer. Let's say, for example, 5 here, and let's put 5 here as well. Click on Done. Then you can see that the total points are set. You can also choose the correct answers, but if you don't, let's go ahead and copy the form link. Then go ahead, paste it in another tab. Now we can go and start the quiz by choosing the answers. You can see here, then click on Submit. After you click on Submit, you can view the score from here. When you click on this button, you can find how many points you scored. For example, the total points here are 0 out of 10. Let's go ahead and change something in the quiz. Let's go and make this the right answer. You can choose it, then you can go ahead, click on the other one as well, and choose the correct answer. You can also recheck the form by clicking on Edit. Then view the score again. So you can see here the total points are 5 out of 10. This was how to get the quiz score in Google Forms. As always, thank you for watching.